Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to generate a QR code of any website. Okay, it's very easy process. First of all, you need to open Microsoft Edge, and after that you need to type your website in the URL, and after that you need to do what? Just simple, just deselect here, just click here in the URL, and then after that deselect. By doing that, and at the corner in the URL you can see there are different option over here: send this page, QR code, read aloud, and enter the immersive reader, and you can add this to your favorite page. Okay, so I'm going to generate this QR code. It's very easy, just click on it, and now I want to generate the QR code for this specific website. So it's very easy, just click on download, and then Microsoft Edge will easily generate a QR code for you. So look here, we have here QR code generated, top right corner, click on three dots. Now click on downloads, and in downloads you will see the QR code. I'm going to click here, and here it is. Now you can use this QR code. You can share this QR code via WhatsApp, via email. So let's do it. I'm going to share this QR code. Yes, Microsoft Edge. Now I'm sharing via WhatsApp with my student. Send. Beta, now you can download this QR code and scan it with the help of your mobile phone. Or if you don't have the scanner in your mobile phone, what you can do? You can simply access what you have a built-in camera in your mobile phone. So click on tab in your browser, and here you need to type Google. When you type Google, it's very easy. Look here, you will see this camera. Search by image, just click on this camera in Google search engine, and you can do what? And after that you do what? You can scan it, drag and drop, or upload a file. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to drag and drop this barcode over here, but you can scan it with the help of your mobile phone by clicking on this one. Look, I'm going to drag and drop over here, and this information is hidden in this barcode. This information is hidden over here. You can copy it and you can use that. Okay, now I have click on copy. Now I'm going to use in cognitive mode. So top right corner, click on three dots, click on in private window. So just paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V and enter button from your keyboard, and it will directly take you to the ChatGPT. Thank you very much. Have a good day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.